Hey guys, I'm doing the morning plan in the other room if anybody wants to listen in. Just for a couple minutes. Ooh, come over here and tell them how to mute people too when I get done with morning plan. Thank you. Shit. If anything, it's hook 'em they start with. Who? Me? Oh, good. Hey, that's no big deal. At least they got something, right? At least they got yeah, yeah. Hey, that's what they need. That's what they need. And not every day can be a winner. And and plus, everybody that wants to come in here and trade Tick Century with me in the Premier Clubhouse this afternoon for the Fed, we'll have a field day with it. All right, guys, on with the morning plan. On with the morning plan. Yes, thank you. Play the game with me. Scott's the only one that wants to play along. Yes. So, guys, hey, range. What happens with ranges? Do they always stay in range, or what happens after that? Break out. Okay. Interesting enough, isn't it kind of cool that we're in front of the Fed today, settled into a range, in support, poised for a what? Daily a daily breakout? Okay, this has guys, if you I'm not joking about this. This has to pay this has gotta play a huge, huge amount of, um, this has got to shape probably, um, like, the most weight you could possibly have on your trading plan today. The point I'm trying to make here is this is a precipice. That's the word I'm looking for. Oh, I was trying to look for that precipice word all day, all morning. So like it's basically just pinned itself up on a daily chart to explode, one direction or the other. Now, are we gonna guess what direction it is? I sure as heck am not. The odds tell us that it's gonna go what direction? This is a fun one. What do the odds tell us, guys? After the Fed, what do the odds tell us? Keep guessing, guys. Come on, everybody, guess. Let's see. Let's see what you guys think. Got a couple ups so far. Got a few ups. Got a couple drops, downs. Okay, to the right. Isaac is exactly correct. Taylor, smarty pantses. It would definitely go to the right. That's for sure. Um. So yeah. So the odds, the odds tell us, the odds tell us it should be up to 0, Greg. You've been around Paul too much. No. Why do the odds tell us up? Because every time it's gotten to this area before, except for one, it's done what? It went up. There you go, Justin. Does that answer your question? So those are the odds. That's what the odds tell us. The odds tell us, hey, you remember a couple months ago when I was whining and complaining back here last year, saying, why in the world are they loading up on long contracts at the highs? You guys remember me complaining and saying that crap? Well, we're back in the same damn spot, people. We got to use our brains about this. Back in the same spot, and I'm still scratching my head. Unless somebody's got some kind of plan for this thing to go through the roof up here, on the daily, which could be the case. I mean, over time, markets go up. So now there is some chance that we're looking at down stuff because obviously the global economic condition is not the most stable of what liberation pivot. What? What do you mean by liberation pivot? Am I missing something this morning? Anybody want to join me on the mic? Coach Paul's got his daughter's got graduation. A surprise rate cut would send it down. Huh. That's an interesting thought. Don't you think it's what? So surprise rate raise would send it up then? Why would that premise? That's what I'm asking too. I would think the opposite, Scott. Am I missing something, you guys? Please, somebody jump on the mic with me too, if you don't mind.
Morning.
Hey, dear.
How
Glad to
are
have
you?
You sound so good on the mic too. You and Taylor do a fantastic job together. Really
Oh,
do.
please. Thank you. He's amazing.
Yeah, he is.
He's a
pretty
wealth
good.
of knowledge, that Taylor.
Yeah, he's pretty good. Pretty good.
We're off like a herd of turtles this morning.
Off like a well, I mean, it's in front of the Fed. Yeah. So
True that.
not much you can do to fix that one, guys. And all the people in the other room know how to get over here to the main room, correct?
Yeah, I think so.
Taylor, can you share your 6th century charts just in case I call something on it?
Certainly.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I can be very embarrassed sharing my charts.
That's all right. If I call something, you're gonna make money. I promise.
Let's see.
What do you think about that proposition?
Sounds good to me.
You're completely confident that if I call something, you'll make money. How confident?
Well,
what is your percent confidence in me?
I have a high confidence that what you call will make money. Whether or not I can make money with it has been a little iffy. Well, seriously, there have been times when Paul called it. I watched him hit it.
Scrabbling
I hit it
cover.
just a second later. He made money. I lost money. Of course, I returned the favor. Once I made money and he lost money.
You did.
I don't know how that happened.
Markets.
Okay, it should be
markets. All right, we're coming into the open here, people. We're already at the open. Sitting here, running our mouths, looking at the daily chart. Nothing really much is happening anyway. Got a little bit of a rally. So the point I'm trying to make is, Scott, this really is an interesting thought. I'm not trying to cut you off there, Taylor. I just want to get through this real quick. That is an interesting thought. Unless Scott, unless they've already covered for that. Look at the huge dips down we had prior to this Fed. That's the only thing. I could look at that, Scott, and say build a case for the opposite that they've already covered. So that's why I say it's a coin flip we're at. I don't know if it's gonna go up or down. The surprise cut. I'm not trying to argue with you either. I mean, there's validity and I would call that sell signal, guys, but this is moving like 2 inches an hour, and obviously we expect this in front of a Fed on a Fed day. So guys, the reason I was trying to tell you that is the plan should be to expect. Well, we are what in an inside day, correct? Am I wrong? We're not inside previous days, Ken? Are we? Somebody? Be nice, Taylor. Stop.
Oh, sorry, I had to reboot.
We appear to be on an inside day so far. We'll see at the open.
Yeah. Okay. We are open, and the market's not moving at all.
I missed the open. Wow.
Yeah,
Didn't even
that's the point
notice.
I'm
I
trying to
didn't
make.
even notice.
This is a point I'm trying to make. Dead in the middle. Not only is it in the middle of the 60, the 15, it's dead in the middle on the daily. It's dead in the middle everywhere. Scratch your heads, guys. Think.
They're waiting on something.
We're, that's the point I've been trying to make as soon as I jumped on the mic. I'm excited about the Fed today. I hate it, but I love it because it's not going to kill anybody to pay $25 to be in a Premier Clubhouse to do Fed with us today. It's not going to kill you guys to do it. You might actually make way more than $25 because I plan on making $10, $12, $15,000 this afternoon. That's my plan, at least. And I predict a 35-point runner.
Ooh.
For Premier Clubhouse.
Wow, okay. Sign me up.
I predict a 35-point runner. So, good, Isaac. All right. The point then, Isaac, you know what I'm going to say right now, especially coming in front of the Fed. What am I going to tell you, buddy?
Sit on hands.
You're green, man.
Yep.
I don't care
I
if
think
it's
if not done for the day, at least 12 step.
I don't care if
later.
it's $17. Just wait until the Fed this afternoon. No, take a break till 2, bro. To 2. Now, obviously, that was a valid short, but I didn't call it. Is there anybody that's in the short? Yeah, dude, wait till after 2. Dude, and also learn to speak in Eastern time because that's what the markets work on. Oh, 11. Are you gonna get your day pass with Miss Paulina and join us in the Premier Clubhouse and crush it with us?
Show us how it's done.
I'm gonna show you guys how it's done.
Well, yeah.
I'm gonna be arrogant today. Fed day is one of my favorite days, and I usually make my month, make several months on a Fed day.
How can you get the pass? Talk to Miss Paulina.
Yeah, Miss Paulina will do the day pass for you guys. She has a link. Miss Paulina, you listening? Yeah, Miss Paulina, don't you have a link for the day pass? Hey, send her a message.
We have eager people. Yes, Miss Paulina, could you put a link to get people a day pass?
For the
If you
Premier
could,
Clubhouse.
please. Oh, okay. Just text her, and she gave you her number. Just text her.
Okay, there you go, guys. Text Miss Paulina at 727-222-0426. I should know that number since it's the main company number, but I never call it. So
That's like when somebody asks you, "What's your phone number?" and you hesitate because it's like, I rarely call myself.
8675309. That's my number.
That's Jenny.
Oh shoot. Well, Jenny's probably long gone by now. You haven't heard of like cell phone transfer number? Like I ported her number to mine. What are you talking about?
Oh, true. You could have.
And my phone's getting Starlink next week. I don't know how that works. I just know that it's supposed to be a Starlink phone next week.
Yeah, what does that mean? What's that going to do?
It means you never run out of coverage, no matter where you're at.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm trying to call this short, people, but I don't want to do it with this price action. I really am thinking about this, but goodness gracious. If anything, it looks like a long setting up, and that's not fun either. Where's the area that, I mean, guys, think about this. Look at this coming into the Fed on the 15-minute chart. It's like it's cool. It's almost like if you take this one candle out, this is a cooling price action, right? Take out this one candle here, and you can draw a wedge to this.
Oh, that candle is just wow.
Yeah. Any reason for a run up like that? I don't know. Especially on the afternoon in front of a Fed. A lot of weird things, a lot of interesting things. But one of the things I like about it is that everything is lining up in the middle. I love that everything's lining up in the middle. Because the
Right.
odds are we're gonna have a pretty big explosion this afternoon. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm going Fed, second move, 10, 15, 20 points on that one. Wait till 2:30 when homie opens his mouth. Let it continue to run. Probably rack up another 30, 40 points on that. Most likely. Usually think about it. The days we've seen a few Feds. Do you guys want to talk about something? I mean, again, look at the markets. Is it really anything to do?
No, it's really confusing right now.
I mean, I'm looking at. I think are you on the ES or NQ on your charts, Taylor? Do you have one on NQ?
Yeah, I have, or one on
Yeah.
NQ. I can get one. Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't mind, just so I can peek at it. But I'm assuming that every index is doing the same thing.
Let's see.
Got it. Monday. It's great. Would you get Monday? Whoa, I'm missing stuff. Okay, Ricks, you're going. See you there this afternoon then. You got a money. It's great. What'd you get Monday? I'm missing this. What did Paul get on Monday? What am I missing, guys? Hey, Justin's getting paid.
Congrats, Justin.
Yay! Way to go, Justin. Look at this. The market's not going to have markets aren't going to have any rhyme or reason in price tag. It's going to go up and down. And it's going to chop. It's going to range. It's going to break out today. It's going to do everything that sucks for a newbie trader. Me too. I'm excited about this afternoon too, guys. And again, way to go, guys. This is part of our club. The way we do it here is we celebrate other people's victories. All right.
Yep.
Winning is contagious, and it's what we should do as a group of people to help each other do better at this. We don't have to be on the island. Celebrate the victories. Way to go, Justin. Seriously. That's awesome. And Isaac, stay away from your mouse. This is painful, people. We knew it was going to be this way. We warned everybody, did we not? Warned everybody. 12 step now, Taylor. Hop up. There you go, Justin, again. Yeah, we're going to have some fun this afternoon. I mean, the way this is setting up this afternoon should be like, and it's going to be fast, guys. Don't get me wrong. It's going to be fast. So you guys haven't seen fast markets lately. So if I were you, do you want me to give you guys some advice? There you go, Isaac.
Please give us advice. Please give us advice.
I would sincerely take a day like, what was that crappy day where we had huge swings last week? I would sincerely take a day like, where was it? I don't know. Let's use a day like, oh yeah, this one. Day like the 1st, May the 1st, or even yesterday. You have bigger swings, and then take that, replay it at 3 times or 4 times the speed before the Fed today. If you really want to do something that's going to be productive, that'll make you money, instead of trying to make money in this where the volume is absolutely like maybe zero for real.
What day did you say to take, Brian? The 1st?
Maybe yesterday or May 1st. And I'm serious about this, guys. How many people are going to do it and replay it at a faster speed to get you ready for this afternoon? Does anybody think that's a stupid idea? Look, there's no rhyme or reason this thing should be going up right now. It's just popping up. So, guys, trading this is like coin flip. If you got a couple little scalps in this morning, like Isaac did, be happy with that and be done. There was structure this morning. There's no longer structure right now. The market has just lost structure. I mean, you guys had some chances with structure this morning, pretty early. You had one nice little short you could have taken from a zone. Let's see. Somebody keeps messing with my zones. Who's moving my zones, huh? I ain't afraid of no ghost. Oh, maybe.
Maybe somebody found out how good your method is and decided it's too good.
Oh, my zones are too good, huh? Getting accused of my zones being too good. They sure do work, though, don't they?
Yep.
All right, I'll put one more zone on top, but I don't think that's going to matter today. We're not going to see this thing break out of something before the Fed, I don't think. We can give her a whirl, though. I mean, I will look at short trades, I'm telling you. I just didn't look at that one. I mean, I'm going to have a slight bias to the short side because everything says to have a slight bias to the short side, but it's taken enough attempts at the pivot so far this morning that I wouldn't push it past the pivot.
Rick's, to answer the question, I'm doing it how fast? I believe Brian said 3 times. Run it 3 times.
Probably like 3 times. That's that. So just anything to get used to it faster than what it is right now. And then look for the times where it's swinging big. Because we had some pretty good swings both of those days that you can play. Just get used to the speed, guys, because the market's going to speed up this afternoon. It's going to be moving fast. So, I mean, it's going to think about, look, we could time how long it takes to form a 699 candle right now. Do you realize how fast those candles are going to form post-Fed? Seconds.
You'll be lucky if they're not a blur.
Half a second, 2 seconds. So make it relative to that. Like right after the Fed, you're 699. We're going to have candles from all charts. Any tick chart's going to have candles forming fast candles. So you got to get used to seeing the price action form fast. The only way I know how to do it is replay it in faster speed, and then get yourself at least a little bit ready for this afternoon, guys. I got to take a mandatory coffee break. I'll be back in just a minute, please. Excuse me. Thank you. Two things, if you don't mind, actionable items. If you do get a decent sell signal from this zone up here, take a shot at it. You guys take a shot at that. I wouldn't take too many risks this morning, and I'm telling you, I'm doing like I did yesterday. I made my money yesterday afternoon. I'm gonna make my money again today, probably in the afternoon. Specifically after 2. By the way, guys, there's no real point in us doing Premier Clubhouse at noon today if we're going to do Fed. You guys know that, right? See you, Rich. Before I go.
Okay, no problem.
I mean, there's really no point. We're going to go over the Fed trade at 1:45. Okay. So everybody should know, if you're paying for a day pass to be in now, you guys on trial, you can go to Premier Clubhouse, no charge. If you're a member and you're not Premier and you're paying for a day pass, just know, be there at 1:40. I'm gonna start teaching at 1:45 to get us ready for the movement. Okay. Everybody got it? I'm gonna start teaching at 1:45. I gotta go. I'll be back in a few minutes.
And if you haven't been in
And I
the,
just called that cell signal too. Did anybody take it? Sorry, Taylor. I just wanted to see if anybody. I literally just said, guys, if you get a cell signal up from the
Yep.
zone, take it. I
you
literally
did
said
say
that.
it.
Yeah, I'm shame on me because I have a line at 49.75
And you didn't use your own
and I did
line.
not take it. But that happened
Oh,
so
man.
fast. I
It
couldn't.
did happen pretty quick, didn't it?
Yeah.
All right, I gotta go. I'll be back in a second.
And for all those of you on day passes, you may want to get there an extra 5 minutes early in case you can't get in. I mean, Liberty does everything they can, but occasionally, something may be wrong. And if you need any help, it's really bad to see them going off without you while you're trying to get in. And Hugo handles a lot of calls. Also, Miss Paulina just put the link in the comments for anybody that wants a day pass.